So let me just erase this all. So we have seen that for present state A, the possible next state is AB. Okay. For A, the possible next state is AB. For B, the possible next state is CD. And for C, the possible next states are AB. For D, possible next states are CD. Right? Now we will come to the diagram. That means this is my state diagram. Is it? Okay. So as from the table, you can see that I'm doing the same as I've described, that when 0, 0 will be 0, 0. That means when 0, 0 is the present state. So these are all the present state: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1. Okay. So this is SA equals to 0, 0, SB equals to 1, 0, ST equals to 1, 1, and SC equals to 0, 1. As I have already defined the all state as ABC. So for the first row, you can see that A will be converted to A will be converted to A, and A will be converted to B, like 1, 0. So this is 1, 0, and this is 0, 0. That means we are using self loop. What is the condition? The input will be 0 and output will be 0, 0. And you have to write this condition above this arrow always. The first one represents the input and the second one represents the output. So you can see that when A will be converted to B, so A is converted to B. Okay. So you can see a line is going from SA to SB, like 0, 0 to 1, 0. What is the condition? This is the condition. When the input is 1 and output is 1, 1. Okay. In this way, you can see that when the present state is considered to be 1, 0, like B, that means this is the present state. Now I'm considering this SB as my present state. So from B, we can go to C and D. Okay. C means 0, 1. So this is 0, 1. So you can see that one arrow is going from SB to SC. This arrow, this upper arrow. And what is the condition? When B will be converted to C, the condition is the input should be 0 and the output is 0, 1. Okay, this is written above this arrow. So you have to always write this condition, input and output, above the direction arrow. Okay. You can also see that B will be converted to D when the B is the present state. So CD is the next state, next possible state. So B is converted to D. So what is the condition? When input is 1 and output is 1, 0. So you can see this 1, 0 is converted to D. The condition is 1 and 1, 0. I've written. Okay. As you can draw similarly from C, the possible transformation will be A and B. Okay. As well as from D, we can go to C and D to D. So for D, you can see that there is a possibility of using the self loop, because the present state is D and its next state is also D. So there is a possibility when the input is 1 and output is 0, 1. So here it is written that SB, I'm using this self loop. When 1, 1, that means this 1, 1 is converted to this 1, 1. That means this is the present state and this is the next step. So I am using this self loop, and what is the condition? This is 1, input as 1, and this is 0 as a output. So in this way you can draw the state diagram, right? You can consider C as 0, 1. So this is 0, 1. So from 0, 1 we can go to A and we can go to B, right? So when I'm going from C to A, what is the condition? We are using message as 0 and output we will get as 1, 1. So C to A, C to A means C means 0, 1, this is 0, 1, to A means 0, 0, so this is, so you can see an arrow is going to this direction. Okay, so this is the condition that input should be 0, as I've said, that this is 0 and output is 1. Also C is converted to B. What is the condition? When input is 1 and output is 0, 0. So you can see that C is converted to B. A left direction arrow is going from SC to SB. The condition is input is 1 and output is 0, 0. So in this way you have to make the state diagram. Okay. So you have already studied the state diagram in the previous video lecture. So depending on this table, we will also make the other two diagrams, which is called port tree diagram and port trellis diagram. This is also easy if you just follow the procedure step by step. Okay, let me erase all these sketches. Okay. So now, every time, depending on this table, we will draw this tree diagram. Okay, now we will consider port tree diagram. Okay,